Winter is just around the corner, so today we're going to talk about carbon monoxide. There are over 72,000 people exposed to carbon monoxide every year in the United States. Over 75% of homes in the United States have a potential source of carbon monoxide. Sources include heaters, stoves, or generators. Carbon monoxide is an odorless, colorless gas. It is important to recognize signs and symptoms of exposure. These may include headache,
Oh, man.
nausea, dizziness,
Oh.
breathlessness, unconsciousness.
Gus?
Severe exposure can lead to seizures, coma, and even death. Fortunately, you can take measures to prevent your risk of exposure to carbon monoxide. Let's ask an expert how.
There are three simple but very important things you can do to protect yourself. First, and most importantly, make sure you have a carbon monoxide detector in your home. It can be battery powered or battery backup, but again, this is a colorless, odorless gas. You won't know it's there until it's too late. Secondly, never use gas-powered generators or power machinery in the house. And thirdly, if you think that you or a loved one is being exposed to carbon monoxide, first leave the house and then call 911. Remember, be safe.
So Gus, did you learn something today? Bottom line, get a carbon monoxide detector for your home. Thanks for watching Saving Lives with Gus. And remember, be safe, be healthy, be happy.